I recently got a phone call from a grandmother, and she indicated to me she wanted to be the foster parent for her grandchild, but she couldn't. And I said, why not? She says, because DCF said that 28 years ago, I had involvement with DCF. I said, 28 years ago? She says, yeah. I said, how old is a social worker? And she said, she's younger than 28 years. She wasn't even born when I was involved with them. So I said, what happened? And we went through her history. When she was a young mother, she had allegations of neglect against her. She got involved with DCF. She went through the parenting classes. She got early intervention. And DCF, according to her, really helped her. And I said, how was your experience with the social worker? She said, fantastic. They couldn't have been nicer to me. How was early intervention? Oh, they were outstanding. How was your overall experience with DCF? Oh, Kevin, I learned so much. Because back then, no matter how many times I looked on the baby's rear end, there's no directions on how to parent a child. It's kind of trial and error. And I made some mistakes. And DCF helped me with that. And subsequent to that, she raised 3 other children. So now you got a happy ending, right? At least you think so. Now, fast forward 28 years later, DCF's saying, no, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. You can't be a foster parent of your own grandchild because you were involved with us. Well, the involvement with DCF had nothing to do with anything but just her getting help and her being available to get help and working with DCF in the spirit of cooperation. So you would think that would not be held against her. How contraire. So now she's wondering, how can I go for them for help? They turn around, they help me. It's a win-win. And now all of a sudden it's a lose-lose when I want to get my grandchild. So here's the solution. First things first, hopefully common sense, which is very uncommon, will prevail in this case. I told her, go to the area director. Go to the social worker, who she has a very good relationship with. She's a very nice girl. I'm not surprised. They all want to help. Seek a waiver. The area director can override the policy, statutes, and regulations, which is just DCF bureaucracy, red tape. And hopefully that'll occur. If that fails, you can always appeal the decision. What she also should do is appeal to the court and to the judge. Get a hold of the child's attorney. File what's called a motion for abuse of discretion, or the parent's attorney, whichever parent is her child. Also bring it to the attention of the commissioner, the ombudsman. Send a letter to the governor if you have to. Write to the child advocate. Well, what you should do is point out the inequity of this foolish bureaucracy. And it is foolish. I've had social workers tell me point blank, this is terrible, Kevin. This shouldn't be. This grandmother's fantastic. We love her home, everything about her. But because of our rules, because of our regulations, because of our policies, the child cannot be placed with her. And I say phooey. I say that's wrong. I say that's not the right thing to do. And when you're on the right side of the law, I told the grandmother, be bold. Don't be reckless. Don't be unsafe, but be bold. And go bang on every door and tell them how inequitable this situation is. And I believe she will be, at some point in time, reunited with her grandchild. At least I hope so. That would be the right thing to do. And I hope DCF, common sense, which is very uncommon, will prevail in this case. If you derive benefits from this video, please help others and share this video so they also can receive benefits. I also kindly ask that you join my free group on Facebook, Successfully Fight Child Protective Services. I also want you to join my YouTube channel, which is free. You get weekly videos from the Law Office of Kevin Seaver. If you'd like to hop on a call or email me, my website is below. Thank you.